What if a single cable could decide whether your network works or fails without you even noticing? Ethernet patch and crossover cables look almost identical, yet one follows the rules and the other secretly swaps the wires to make devices talk directly. Knowing the difference is like having a secret decoder ring for your home or office network. An Ethernet patch cable is a normal network cable that connects different types of devices, like a computer to a router or a laptop to a switch. A crossover cable is wired differently so it can connect two similar devices directly, such as computer to computer or switch to switch, without a router or switch in between. In a patch cable, the wires use the same wiring standard on both ends, T568A or T568B, so the pins match straight through. In a crossover cable, the transmit, Texas, and receive, RX, pairs are swapped, so one device's talk wire goes to the other's listen wire. This stops the two boxes from talking at the same time and lets them send data properly. If you plug two similar devices together with a normal patch cable, the transmit pins face each other, and the connection can fail or be very slow. A crossover cable fixes that by matching TX to RX so data flows cleanly. Knowing this helps you choose the right cable and avoid hours of debugging. Patch cables are very cheap, easy to buy, and widely used in homes and offices. They are simple to use. Just plug them into any typical device pair. For example, PC to switch or PC to router. Crossover cables cost about the same but are less common and are only needed in special cases. Patch cables are safer in practice because they are the standard choice and rarely cause confusion on modern networks. They are also easy to mix and match in different colors and lengths. Crossover cables can be confusing if misused, but they let you test devices directly and sometimes give faster direct link speeds. Most modern devices support Auto MDIX, which means they can automatically handle both patch and crossover cables, so a normal patch cable now works in almost all situations. This is why patch cables are preferred today. They are cheaper, more common, and just as safe and effective. Let's say you plug your laptop into a home router using a patch cable because they are different devices. If you once had to link two old switches directly, you would use a crossover cable so their talk pins match the other's listen pins. Imagine two people trying to talk. A patch cable is like a phone line where one person talks and the other listens. A crossover cable is like swapping the microphones and speakers, so both people can take turns without shouting over each other. Patch cables are the everyday heroes you use everywhere, while crossover cables are the special purpose tools that step in only when two similar devices need to connect face-to-face. In short, patch cable for normal links, crossover only when devices are too alike to talk safely. Just remember, when in doubt, go with a patch cable.
Simply click the link below to learn more.